Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start investing with eToro. eToro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to invest in a wide range of assets, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the eToro website or mobile app. First, go to the eToro website or download the mobile app and click on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have filled out the registration form, you will need to verify your account by providing some identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. After your account has been verified, you can deposit funds into your eToro account using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically $50, but this may vary depending on your location and the payment method you use. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start exploring the eToro platform and browsing the various assets that are available for investment. eToro offers a wide range of assets, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can use the search function to find specific assets or browse through the various categories and lists. To place a trade, simply click on the asset you are interested in and select the buy or sell option. You will then need to enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the trade. eToro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to automatically copy the trades of other successful investors on the platform. One of the key benefits of using eToro is that it offers a social trading feature, which allows you to connect with other investors and learn from their experiences. You can follow other traders, see their portfolios, and even copy their trades. This can be a great way to get started with investing, as it allows you to learn from others and gain valuable insights into the markets. In terms of best practices, it is always a good idea to start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the platform and the markets. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different assets, as this can help to reduce your risk and increase your potential returns. Overall, eToro is a great platform for anyone who is looking to start investing in the financial markets. With its user-friendly interface, wide range of assets, and social trading features, it is an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced investors. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with investing on eToro and start building your wealth today.